Alright, we're just wrapping this job back up. Put it back together, and Phil's putting the squirter back in up there. I think some of those holes are wired out. I just could not get a couple of those to thread in very far. I think I'm going to have to get an assortment of screws that are a little bit larger to hold some of this in. But that's probably not the first heater core that's been in it, because somebody's been in there already, I think. You going?
Yeah.
Alright. So we got it. You got all your lines tight, yeah. Right? Okay. So we got that done, and Phil's putting the seal back in.
Yeah.
We got the fan connected, so we're about ready to see if we can bring this thing to life, huh?
Yeah.
I checked.
Started.
You checked the oil?
Yep.
I checked the coolant, and it was good. So everything's got that vacuum line back on the air cleaner and all that.
Hey.
On the back.
Oh.
On the back, where it goes in.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, that hose. Yeah, that's what I was grunting about.
Oh, okay. All right, so Phil thinks he's got enough battery power here, so we're going to see. If not, we got jumper cables. So.
Yeah, I got jump box.
How long has it been sitting here without being ran?
A long time.
Yeah. That old Recon battery ain't sounding too healthy, Phil.
Yeah.
Is that the jump box?
Yeah, but I put this on your scarf.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's been a setting for a long time.
What happened, Phil?
Huh?
What happened to you?
I don't know.
You know, you were going so good with this thing, and then...
Fuck, I had drained the gas out of everything around here.
Yeah.
And then no gas. He took 5 gallons out of this, 2.5 or 4 gallons out of my bike.
Yeah.
And I have nothing.
Yeah.
No gas in anything.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
No, that's all right. They've heard much worse on YouTube. Just don't name names or anything.
But
they didn't know you.
He was making sure I couldn't get nowhere when he took off.
Yeah. They didn't know you cussed, did they, Uncle Phil?
Well, they do now. I'll tell you, if
now,
they ever lived with what I live with, they cuss.
Yeah, they've heard you when you're under this car before.
Okay. I got you.
No, that's cheating, Phil. That's cheating. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No. Don't do that. We'll get it started. We'll just dump it with a car if we have to. Because people like seeing hard pumping starts.
Hard pumping start?
Yeah.
I can get my jump box.
Yeah, why don't you grab the jump box real quick? Yeah, pouring gas, priming it, that's cheating. That's cheating, Phil. This is hard. Oh, there it is. Hey, I need one of those. I need one of those. Of course, my car, if the battery goes dead, I can just push it off and start it. But yeah, that's cheating. When you prime it with gas, Phil, that's cheating. Not cheat. You know what I mean? That's making it too easy.
I just didn't want to, run down the battery and stuff.
We'll take care of it. Let me unplug this for you. Yeah, because we'll jump it if we have to. You ought to hear me grind on stuff. That's about all my neighbors ever hear anymore. I ground on that Valiant till I didn't kill the battery on it, but it was getting, battery cables were hot after that. Pump it, Uncle Phil.
He drained every drop.
Yeah, okay. Pump it. Okay, let off it. Let off. Because you should keep running it like that. Okay, pump it some more. All right, try it again. Let off. Pump it. Try it again. There you go. About stepped in the fire back here. Gee whiz. How's it looking? Good. You have to let it warm up. It's not gonna. Uncle Phil's kind of agitated on that gas pedal a little bit. Let's see what your gauges are looking like in here. What we got? Let's see. Oil's running about 38 or so, and temperature.
It came up.
Yeah, you have to let it warm up before it choke a bit. How much gas did you put in?
5 gallons.
Oh, you got
5.1 gallons.
You got plenty. You let it sit here and run. It needs to run anyway, really.
Yeah.
Take a breather. Relax, really. He just grab. Coming up now. Watch this, I'm gonna get in there in just a second. Hey Phil. Hey Phil. Come here. Hurry. Hurry. Don't fall. Come here. Hurry. Look at this. Phil down there. You feel it? Warm air.
I don't feel nothing. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Warm air.
Yeah.
We did it.
Yeah, we did. Yep. How's that choke knob kicking off? Deal with that. choke off. Well, it's up to 170. Well,
What's the temperature say?
about
You should
180.
kick off. You didn't turn the idle up, did you?
No.
Huh.
Let's see. So. Well, you got heat.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, getting there. I mean,
Get there.
yeah. And it gets hot.
Yeah.
We stuck a 190 thermostat in it, didn't we?
I think about a 180.
A 180.
Yeah. I don't think the vents are working. Not hissing whenever you turn it. Not much oil pressure. Yep. I'll tell you guys why he's out there fooling. I think this car is about to come back to me, to my house, because Uncle Phil, y'all may have caught on by now, Uncle Phil's having some roommate issues pretty bad. So that's why he was looking kind of out of sorts earlier. And so he's getting ready to pull out of here. And he's got his bike over there. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but he's got his motorbike and stuff. And so he doesn't want to leave it. Yeah. Be right there. He don't want to leave here with leaving the car and leaving the motorcycle, so we're going to get those out of here for him.
Why do I have warm air coming out over here? Right there.
I think that's going in, not out. Yeah. But see, look, we didn't seal that all the way up yet. Put your hand over those hoses right there.
Yeah.
Must be a seal right here. Let's go check your bike out. So yeah, I think we're gonna bring it back to the house. So. But that's his bike. This is a, you guys probably know better than I do. This is a V-Star. Who makes that? Classic. A lot of gas in here. He hardly ever rides it anymore. But he just, you know, Uncle Phil's on a fixed income. He just doesn't have the money to, you know, I've had to pay for most of the stuff we've done to this car recently. That's fine. I don't mind that. So maybe I'll just go ahead and continue fixing it up a little bit while it's at the house, because he's got to get his living situation changed. That's all there is to it. We won't go into it. You guys think about it a little bit. You can probably figure out why. Ain't nothing like that. His roommate just left to go see the roommate's ex-wife and kid. That was pretty good. The engine's pretty worn out, but anyway. Okay, guys. Well, this thing is ran about. This video is ran about 17 seconds. 17 seconds. 17 minutes so far. Long and 17 seconds. So, I'm gonna cut her down. Cut her off here. Shut her down. Yeah, see, it sits here and he just doesn't do anything with it. And it gets dirty again. And so I think right now it's just a little bit more than he can handle. So okay. See you guys. Have a good one.